Hi friends, welcome to CrackU's video series. Today we are here to discuss the most important general awareness questions which are asked for SSC exams like CGL and CHSL. And today in this video of 100 questions, we are totally discussing the topics like general science, general social, and books and authors, and sports, everything. And before going into the video, I want to explain you about the mock test we are providing. We are providing 210 mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Let's see the first question. Chandragupta II extended the Gupta kingdom to Gujarat in dash AD. He has extended the Gupta kingdom in Gujarat in 390. It was like in the history tells that it was from the late 388 to 405 AD. So from the options we can select the answer as 390 AD. Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal in memory of. Shah Jahan has built Taj Mahal in memory of Mumtaz. It was said that the construction has started in the year 1632 AD and it was completed in the year 1648 AD. Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in. Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1942. A mass of ice sliding down the slope from a snow-clad region is called as. It is called as glacier. A glacier is called as river of ice. Rajiv Gandhi Thermal Power Plant is located in which of the following states? Rajiv Gandhi Thermal Power Plant is located in Haryana state of Kedar in Hisar district of Haryana. The moon is an example of dash object. The moon is an example of non-luminous object. An increase in the money supply will cause interest rates to. An increase in the money supply will cause the interest rates to fall. Excuse me. And the decrease in the money supply will cause the interest rates to rise. Rise in interest. Friends, we are providing previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do visit our website cracku.in and download these papers for your better practice and best score. As a result of higher rate of inflation in India, the US dollar will. As a result of higher rate of inflation in India, the US dollar will appreciate. India's first financial archive has been set up at. India's first financial archive has been set up at Kolkata. It was set up in the year 1891 on 11th March at Kolkata. It was the largest financial archive in the whole South Asia. Let's see the next question. What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha as laid by the Constitution of India? The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250 as laid by the Constitution of India. According to Article 80, 238 members are the state representatives. 12 members are appointed by President and 2 members are appointed from Union Territories. Which section provides the amendment of Article 371D of the Constitution to include the state of Telangana in it? Section 97 provides for the amendment of Article 371D of the Constitution to include the state of Telangana in it. The Cabinet Committee on Investment is headed by. The Cabinet Committee on Investment is headed by Prime Minister. Cobalt is found in which vitamin? Cobalt is found in vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is commonly known as cyanocobalamin. Let's see the next question. Study of liver is known as hepatology. Hepatology deals with the study of liver, gallbladder, biliary tree, and pancreas, and disorders related to all these organs. Aqua regia solution consists of nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. Aqua regia solution is a mixture of in the parts of 3:1 ratio of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Friends, Cracku is providing SSC CGL mocks for rupees 199. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Which chemical is used in artificial rain? Silver iodide is used in artificial rain. Formula of silver iodide is AgI. The catalytic converter in an automobile is incorporated in. The catalytic converter in an automobile is incorporated in exhaust. The catalytic converter in a metal canister is placed in the exhaust system of a vehicle. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meters. Harmandir Sahib is also known as Golden Temple. It is also known as Darbar Sahib. Golden Temple is located in Amritsar. Ayyagari Syamasundram, renowned musician, is associated with which of the following musical instruments? Ayyagari Syamasundram is associated with Veena. Who is considered as father of surgery in India? Sushrita is considered as father of surgery in India. In early 6th century, he wrote world's earliest book on the works of medicine and surgery. Friends, Cracku is providing SSC CGL mocks for rupees 199. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Where is the Bandipur National Park located? Bandipur National Park is located in Karnataka. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is located in which of the following city? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is located in Ahmedabad city. C, Basic, COBOL and Java are the examples of dash languages. These are the examples of high-level languages. Larry Page and Sergey Brin are well known as. These people are well known as the founders of Google. The First World War is also famous for the name of. The First World War is also famous by the name of European War. During Quit India movement, parallel government was constituted at. During Quit India movement, parallel government was constituted at Ballia. Where is Humayun's tomb located? Humayun's tomb is located at New Delhi. It was constructed in 1560s. River Satluj enters India through which pass? River Satluj enters India through Shipkila Pass. Shipkila Pass is a mountain pass. It is a mountain pass in Indo-China border. Slate is a type of dash rock. Slate is a type of metamorphous rock. It is formed when shales and clays are put under a great pressure inside earth for million years. Then they form as this type of rock. Friends, Cracku is providing SSC CGL mocks for rupees 199. Please do visit our website and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Please do try them. Match the following. We have to match these monuments to their location, country. Let's see this. We know that Great Wall of China is located in China. Two is D. Colosseum is located in Italy. Chichen Itza is located in Mexico. Great Pyramid of Giza is located in Egypt. Therefore, answer is option B. Bilateral monopoly situation is when there is only one buyer and one seller of a product. What is the term used in economics for the slightest movement in the price of a commodity in a financial market practice, in a financial marketplace? Tick is a term used in economics for the slightest movement, either decrease or increase in the price of a commodity in the financial marketplace. In the field of insurance, which term is used for describing a professional who deals with the financial impact of risk and uncertainty? Actuary is a term employed for a person who deals with the financial impact of risk and uncertainty. What is the minimum age for becoming governor of the state? 35 years is the minimum age for becoming governor of the state. Okay. The PMKVY scheme pertains to skill training or development. PMKVY means Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. It was launched in the year 2015. Which of the following areas do not come under Bharat Nirman? There are 6 areas that come under Bharat Nirman. They are water, irrigation, housing, electricity, roads, and telephone connectivity. Therefore, health doesn't come under the area of Bharat Nirman. Largest gland of human body. The largest gland of human body is liver. Wheat leaf rust is caused by which of the following microorganism? Wheat leaf rust is also called as brown rust. Wheat leaf rust is caused by which of the following microorganism? Wheat leaf rust is caused by fungi. It is also called as brown rust. It is caused by a fungus called as Puccinia triticina. Puccinia triticina. Friends, Crackio is providing previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do visit our website and download these papers for your better practice and best score. Which of the following is used to produce green color while burning crackers? Barium salt is used to produce green color while burning crackers. And for yellow color, we use sodium salts. For red color, we use strontium salt. For orange color, we use calcium salt. And for blue color, we use copper salt. Hope this information is useful for you. The elements with same mass number but different atomic numbers are referred to. The elements with same mass number but different atomic number are referred to isobars. And isotopes are the elements having same proton number. And isotones are the elements having same neutron number. You can remember this like In isotopes, we have the letter P, so consider it as proton. And in isotones, we have the letter N, so consider this as neutron. It's a small trick to remember. The device which is used to view two-dimensional pictures is, the device that is used to view two-dimensional pictures is stereoscope. It depicts left eye view and right eye view of the single scene of a single scene as a single 3D image. Let's see the next question. Which law of thermodynamics is equivalent to principle of conservation of energy? First law of thermodynamics is equivalent to principle of the conservation of energy. Durga Puja is the main festival of West Bengal. Ojapal is the traditional dance of which state? Ojapal is the traditional dance of Assam state. It is an indigenous folk dance of Assam. It is believed to be absorbed from Kathakata tradition. Yellow revolution is related to oil seeds production. The father of yellow revolution in India is Sam Pitroda. Keoladeo National Park is located in which of the following states? It is located in Rajasthan state. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is also known as Nhava is located at Mumbai, Maharashtra. Friends, Crackyo is providing SSC CGL mocks for Rs 199. Please do visit our website and enroll for this mock for your better practice and best score. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Please do check out these mocks. Dash is the maximum amount of data that can be stored on a storage medium. Storage capacity is the maximum amount of data that can be stored on a storage medium. The donor of AB blood group can donate to the recipient of which blood group? He can donate to the recipient of AB blood group. British East India Company was abolished in which of the following years? It was abolished in the year 1858. Where did the leader of individual Satyagraha movement, Acharya Vinoba Bhave, started this movement? He has started this movement in the area called Pavnar in the year 1940. He was the first individual leader for Satyagraha movement, and the second individual leader was Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is known as Maharaja Dhiraja? Chandragupta I is known as Maharaja Dhiraja. He is also known as the king of great kings. The dash is responsible for Earth's magnetic field. Outer core is responsible for Earth's magnetic field. Because Earth rotates on its own axis, therefore the iron which is present in the outer core liquefies and its movement gets started. Due to this movement, this causes the powerful electric currents in the Earth's outer core. The Sahyadri. Let's see the next question. The Sahyadri mountain range is also called as. The Sahyadri mountain range is also called as Western Ghats. Penganga is a tributary of which of the following rivers in India? Penganga is a tributary of Godavari river of India. It originates at Ajanta ranges. In Aurangabad district. Which of the following contributes to the highest share of revenue earned by the Government of India? Corporate tax contributes to the highest share of revenue earned by Government of India. Friends, Crackyo is providing SSC CHSL mocks for Rs 199. Please do visit our website crackyo.in and enroll for this mocks for your better practice and best score. We are also providing 2 free mock tests. Please do take these mocks for your better practice. Energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called as kinetic energy. The formula of kinetic energy is half mv square. Let's see the next question. Human Development Index was first developed in which year? It was first developed in the year 1990. Who at present is the Vice President of India? The Vice President of India is M. Venkaiah Naidu. According to a Jain tradition, there were how many Tirthankaras? There were 24 Tirthankaras. With reference to the Swadharth scheme, who among the following is or are not its beneficiaries? Women victims of terrorist and extreme violence are not beneficiaries of this scheme. The blood enters the heart at which of the following chambers of the heart? It first enters to the right atrium and then passes through right ventricle. Which of the following organs doesn't help in maintaining the pH levels in the human body? Both lungs and kidneys doesn't help in maintaining pH levels in the human body. When your body fluid contains more of acid, it is known as acidosis. It occurs when lungs and kidneys are unable to balance the pH level in the body. Emulsion is a mixture of which of the following that are generally immiscible? Emulsion is a mixture of liquid in liquid which cannot be mixed, like oil and water, like that. Which of the following is the most inert gas in the atmosphere? Argon is the most inert gas in the atmosphere because it is very stable, because of its stable nucleus and inert properties. Which animal can produce ultrasonic waves? All these animals can produce ultrasonic waves. These sounds are not audible to the human. These are above the 20 kilohertz frequency. A bullet of mass m and a velocity a is fired into a large block of wood of mass capital M. The final velocity of the system is ma by small m plus capital M. That is a block of bullet of mass m and wood of mass m. Dahikala is an important tribal dance of which of the following states? Dahikala is an important tribal dance of Maharashtra state. Friends, Crackview is providing previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do visit our website and download these papers for your reference and best practice. Popir is a dance form of which state? Popir is a dance form of Arunachal Pradesh state. This dance is mostly practiced by Galo tribe. Deepak Lathor is related to which of the following sports? Deepak Lathor is related to weightlifting sport. He has won 2 silver and 1 gold in Commonwealth Games. In 2013. Shilli Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Indian state of. It is situated in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. Let's see the next question. Kandla port, which is the largest port in terms of cargo handled, is situated at. It is situated at Gujarat in the district called Kutch. It is also called as Deen Dayal Port. The term dash refers to any computer component that is required to perform work. The term resource refers to any computer component that is required to perform work. The curcumin is isolated from. Turmeric. Let's see the next question. The foundation of Mughal rule in India was laid by. Babur. French Revolution was started in the year. 1789 and it was ended in late 1790s. that is 1789 to late 1790s. Who is credited for the construction of Red Fort? Shah Jahan was credited for the construction of Red Fort. Friends, Cracku is providing SSC CHSL mocks for ₹199. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Please do try these mocks. Watson's Hotel or Esplanade Mansion, which is India's oldest surviving cast iron building, is located in which of the following cities? It is located in Mumbai city. That is Kala Ghoda area of Mumbai. The Great Smog of 1952 was a severe air pollution event which it has affected London. The largest natural port in India is Mumbai port. Which of the following regulators is not on the list of regulators which were recommended to be merged into Unified Financial Regulatory Agency by Financial Sector Legislative Reforms Commission? National Housing Board was not included, was not on this list. The industry having the largest investment in Indian economy is? The industry having largest investment in Indian economy is steel industry. Let's see the next question. When was India's first economic survey presented? The first India's economic survey was presented in the year 1950 to 1951. Later in 1964, till 1964, it was represented with Union budget. Later in 1964, it was delinked from Union budget. Which part of Indian Constitution deals with center-state financial relations? Part 12 of Indian Constitution deals with center-state financial relations. How many times the term of Lok Sabha is extended in India? The term of Lok Sabha was extended only once in India during Indira Gandhi rule. Who has the authority to modify the application of fundamental rights to armed forces? Parliament has the authority to modify the application of fundamental rights to armed forces. Friends, Cracku is providing SSC CGL mocks for ₹199. Please do visit our website and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Please do try these mocks for your reference. A pheromone secreted by an animal is what does it do? A pheromone secreted by an animal influences the behavior of animal of same species. Deficiency of which of the following vitamin causes anemia? Deficiency of vitamin B6 causes anemia. B6 is commonly known as pyridoxine. Who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson has discovered electron. He discovered electron in the year 1897. The process of coating a layer of zinc on metal iron to protect it from rusting is called as? It is called as galvanization. If a sound goes from one medium into another medium, its frequency remains unchanged. What is the mathematical expression for the Newton's second law of motion? The mathematical expression for Newton's second law of motion is force is equals to mass into acceleration. F is equals to ma. Gudi Padwa is the state festival of which of the following states? It is the state festival of Maharashtra. It is also called as Samvatsar Padwa. It is celebrated every year on the first day of Chaitra Masa of the Hindu calendar. Which state is also known as Milk Pail of India? Haryana is also known as Milk Pail of India. Nobel Prize is not given for which of the following subject? Nobel Prize is not given for the subject of mathematics. There is no big reason behind this. The person who has started this Nobel Prize was not much interested in the subject of mathematics. That's why he was not willing to provide a Nobel Prize for the people who does work in mathematics. Mauling National Park is located in which of the following states? It is located in Arunachal Pradesh state. Where is Annadurai International Airport situated? Annadurai International Airport is situated in Tamil Nadu. A computer system includes hardware, software, peripheral devices, everything. So all of this. Severing of milk is due to bacteria. It is a gram-positive bacteria. That changes the milk into sour taste. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the video and comment on the video. For instant notifications, please hit the bell icon. Thank you for encouraging us.